All right, this is just a quick little video. First of all, I want to say that I was just about to turn my stuff in, um, and I could have swore that the due date was at 6 p.m., but it's saying 5. It's saying that it's past due, but I am still turning it in. Not making any excuses for myself, but I kind of had a rough past 2 days. We had to put my dog down, but I had the PowerPoint done, and I just hadn't got the screen recording yet, just to show you that I understand how to work PowerPoint, which PowerPoint is like one of my favorite things actually to do. Let's see. Let me move this out the way. No, 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 no. Exit drawing. Okay, so I'm double clicking on PowerPoint to pull it up. 10 apps project is what I pulled up. What I did. 10 useful apps for teachers. The source that I found apps from. I put every app that I thought was interesting, first of all, and really could be useful in a classroom. Let's see, just a few things that I did right here to do font, all the different fonts, all the different sizes. Whenever you make something and you start creating it, it'll give you themes. Let's see if I can designs. Let's see. Designer right here where I made these. And then once you normally click on one and you start a designer, everyone, like as far as for adding a picture, Google Classroom, it gives you like a little design where you want the placement at and everything. Let's see. I'm not sure. He said it needed to be 1 to 2 minutes long, just showing that we know how to pull up PowerPoint, use PowerPoint. I'm pretty familiar with PowerPoint. Anything Microsoft, I'm actually very familiar with. I'm certified in Microsoft Word and Excel. Just never got certified in PowerPoint, but I still know it very well. And then I just resave it right here just to make sure, and that's it. I'm going to stop recording, and I'm going to copy the link of this recording and put it on the first slide, and then turn in my project. Thank you.